Hello friends, today we are going to do mango rice pudding. The ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description, so do check it. So let's start. First we are going to soak the rice for 20 minutes. Do wash the rice before soaking it. Then in a kadai we pour our milk and leave it to boil. When it is boiling, we add our rice to the milk and let it cook. Stir the milk repeatedly to avoid it from sticking to the bottom. Now we let the rice to cook and the milk to reduce. When the rice is cooked, we mash the rice nicely. Now we add sugar, some finely chopped badam and pista, and stir well. Now we are going to add the mango puree and stir nicely. At the end, add some cardamom powder and stir well. Now your mango rice pudding is ready to serve. Garnish your rice pudding with some finely chopped pista and badam. Do try this recipe and do share your results with us in the comment section.